welcome back to my channel. So first I'm going to start off by moisturizing her face with the Lancome Night Moisturizer, and I'll be rubbing this all over her face with my hands. Next I will be taking the Hard Candy Purple Color Correct Primer, and I will be blending the majority out with my hands and then the rest with a foundation brush. I'm mixing two foundations, the Wet n Wild Photofocus and L'Oreal TruMatch, to get her perfect shade, and I'll be blending it out with the Real Techniques buffing brush. To highlight her face, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photofocus Concealer in the shade Light Medium Beige. I'm doing a little bit of spot concealing with the same concealer on her problematic areas. I'm blending most of the concealer out with the Beauty Blender and then the rest with a foundation brush to give a more natural finish. I'm taking a darker Wet n Wild concealer to contour her cheeks, her forehead, and her nose. Then using the same foundation brush to blend out her forehead and cheeks, and a smaller eyeshadow brush to blend out the nose contour. Taking the Beige Cosmetics Contour Palette, I'm using the second lightest shade to set the highlighted areas, the second darkest shade to set the entire face, and the darkest shade to define the contour. Because she has combination oily skin, I'm using the Cover FX loose powder to set around her nose and her smile lines. She wanted very natural looking brows, so I'm taking a mascara by Marc and running it through her eyebrows to make them look very fluffy. Dipping into the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm taking the colors Pooter and Pukey and lightly running this through the crease. I'm taking the shade Buns and lightly washing this on the outer crease. These eyeshadows are way more pigmented than what they appear on camera, but due to the fact that this is a school makeup look, I'm only using them very lightly. For the lid, I'm going to be taking Sissy and Little Lady and patting them on the inner half of the eye. To make her lash line look thicker, I'm taking Central Park on a dense smudger brush and I'm packing this on the outer half of her eye. I'm now using the Badescu Rosewater spray to set the entire face. Now for the best part, I'm going to be taking the Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petals, and I'm going to be applying it on her cheekbones, the tip of her nose, the top of her brows, and her chin. And here we have the finished everyday glowy makeup look that I did on my younger cousin. If I didn't mention any products in the video, they will definitely be listed down in the bottom bar, so please go check those out. As always, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content if you liked this video. And yeah, I'll be back with more videos. Bye!